Hey, what's up? It's Chris Young. Today we're going to talk about a gotta have for powering up your RV. So, question, what do you think is behind door number one?
I don't know. What is behind door number one?
It's a lithium battery. Because lithium is huge right now. Even some newer RVs are coming with these. I would recommend the Expion 360 Viper. Why? Lithium is so popular. It's such a great option. Not only are these about 50% lighter than some of those deep cycle batteries, they can last up to 10 times longer. They have a much slower discharge rate, and you can get a 100% depth of discharge off of these batteries, whereas the old style, you can only get 80. And they only lose 1 to 10% of charge every month when they're not in use. So if you're down 5 or 6 months, guess what? You only lost anywhere from 10 to 12% of the battery. They even come with a 12-year warranty. They're very strong made. They got mechanical components on the inside to keep those lithium iron phosphate cells stable, which those are probably the best cells you're gonna find in the market. So overall, a great battery and one that I think you gotta have. Now, if you're saying, Chris, that's awesome, I wanna pop it in my coach right now. Pump the brakes. You got to do something first. If your RV is brand spanking new and you have a charge controller that can handle lithium, you're good to go. If not, you got to have one of these WFCO charge controllers. Look for one that is the AD series. The AD is going to let you know this can handle the lithium. You say, okay, Chris, I got my charge controller. This is awesome. Now I want to put in some solar panels. Hot. You know what, Padawan? I'm proud of you. Go the way of the sun. But first, you got to make sure you get the right solar charge controller too, because having that is important. Once again, those solar panels will come in handy. They'll do a great job of charging the battery. But if it's not set for a lithium battery type, that charge controller, no solar panels aren't going to do you any good. So you got to have for lithium, how about that? 30 or 50, depending on what you got. And that 30 or 50 deck mounted, non-deck mounted, whatever you want. And of course, your lithium battery. That, my friend, is you gotta have for doing anything powered inside your RV. Go get one.